send blessing and salutation upon our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The honorable guest and the honorable guest, prominent scholar and respected teachers and brothers. I welcome all of you. The Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank the authority and the chairman of this program for arranging such an excellent program. Now I'm gonna talk about today's topic. There are more than 7,000 languages in the world. English, among them, English is considered one of the most important languages. There are many reasons for English is important language in the world. Firstly, English is an international and global language. Secondly, English is very important for higher education in popular international universities. Thirdly, English is essential for getting a good job. Lastly, but not the least, English is very important for preaching Islam around the world. That's all for today. Thanks for listening to me. See you again, inshallah.
MashaAllah.